Welcome to this video on how to safely clean electrical panels. Proper maintenance, including cleaning, is vital for distribution boards. Remember, dust destroys panels, cleaning prevents fires, and safety always comes first. Contaminants like dust and moisture are hidden dangers. They cause insulation breakdown and loosen connections, leading to arcs and heat generation. This heat cycle ultimately results in breaker trips or a potential fire. There are key warning signs that demand immediate cleaning. These include the smell of burning plastic, feeling heat on breaker switches, frequent tripping, or seeing insects and visible corrosion. The golden rule is total isolation. Never clean a live electrical panel. Always turn off the main supply isolator and lock the main incoming breaker to prevent accidental switching. Never trust the isolation. Always verify zero voltage. Assume the panel is live. Use a multimeter or voltage tester to test phase to neutral and phase to earth to confirm it's completely de-energized. Your safety arsenal is critical. Use insulated gloves, safety glasses, and non-conductive tools. Never use metal brushes, wet cloths, or uninsulated standard vacuums. Step 1 is the visual inspection. Use insulated tools to remove the panel cover. Look for discolored terminals, melted wire insulation, or loose wires. Remember, any damage requires repair, not just cleaning. Step 2 is the de-dusting protocol, using a soft brush and an ESD-safe vacuum. Always move from top to bottom, letting gravity assist. Never blow compressed air directly into breakers, as this forces dust into the mechanism. Step 3 is precision terminal cleaning. Focus on the MCB terminals, neutral and earth bars, and the bottom cable entries. Use electrical contact cleaner spray on corrosion and allow it to evaporate completely. Step 4 is the torque check. Loose connections increase resistance, creating heat and voltage drops. Check all terminals and screws. Tighten them firmly but avoid over-tightening. Steps 5 and 6 cover damage and pest control. Inspect for cracked wires and carbon tracking. Remove any pests like ants or spider webs as they cause short circuits. Apply anti-insect spray only around the panel exterior. Never spray liquid inside. Steps 7 and 8 involve ventilation and energization. Wipe the panel doors and clear vent openings, ensuring good ventilation. Close the panel cover securely. To re-energize, turn on the main breaker first, followed by branch circuits one by one. The maintenance matrix shows cleaning frequency. Residential boards should be cleaned annually. Commercial panels require cleaning every 6 months, and industrial panels every 3 to 6 months. High-dust environments demand more frequent cleaning. Avoid these fatal flaws. Never clean while power is on. Never blow compressed air directly into the mechanics. Never ignore burnt connections. Finally, never attempt high-voltage cleaning without certification. To reach the pro level, focus on thermal management. Place anti-moisture silica gel packets inside large panels and seal all cable entries to block pests. Use a thermal camera annually to find hidden hotspots.